as we speak, and to that end the solution is only ceasefire. But it doesn't seem to be happening. There is also public pressure. There is also, I would say, an unprecedented amount of public support for the Palestinians as we all watch what's happening. And yet it doesn't seem to be making any kind of an impact on the US government.
Yeah, this is very unfortunate. And in the previous section also, as I said, that it is the hypocrisy of the US administration that they have the guts to veto a ceasefire resolution. I mean, this is unbelievable. Vetoing a ceasefire resolution at UNSC means you are giving a license to Israelis to kill the poor people of Gaza. This is very, very unfortunate, and perhaps this Biden administration will go down in the history as the most brutal administration, because it is consistently vetoing the ceasefire resolution and providing opportunities to Israelis.
What about the public? What about the public? Even the French president and for Macron to acknowledge it, that the killings are there, the barbarity is there, and it's right in front of us.
I'm coming to that, Maruti, thank you. Actually, my hats off to the people in the West who are coming in very large numbers and demanding their governments that they should help stop the war. But the problem is that it is Israel.
In Washington, in New York, we saw the size of the rallies themselves.
Everywhere in the world. But the problem lies with Israelis. Why? They are very lucky. I think they really are blessed people. That the entire US-led West is solid rock behind them, and they can do anything they want, and that is what they are doing. This is very unfortunate because they have the support or they have the license to kill people, and they are killing. As far as the OIC is concerned, or the failure of UN is concerned, there is no doubt about it that UN has failed in its stated objectives of maintaining peace and stability in the world. Look at the number of wars that are going at this time. Ukraine, now Gaza, Afghanistan just finished, isn't it? Syria is still on. Iraq finished few years back. So UN has actually failed. As far as the OIC is concerned, and this recent outcome of this extraordinary, this is perhaps the most vocal statement of OIC in the past so many years. This time they have really reacted the way they should have always reacted. But it is never too late. However, for the people of Gaza, it is getting late. The children killed, their schools are washed out, the hospitals killed.
And hospitals being bombed.
Yes, hospitals being. Why?
Why?
Because they are creating fear in the mind of the people. This is only to create fear so that people leave. That is why you see they open the Rafah crossing for the people to leave. Why? Because they just want that piece of land. They want 2 million people to leave so that they include it in their own territory, as they have done to the entire Palestinian territory.